fire agent.
Yo.
You know, say me they want a link to the Eagle though.
You know them youth the way you deal with Eagle, you know who you deal with.
Is that they come from a rum bar, aye. Rasta and enough with no spirit in okay.
You see this?
Yeah.
So I go protect you.
Off on my phone, man. What me say? No money.
I eat that. Send up on a different girl, call it to kill the Ras.
Yeah, this bitch, we need to get rid of her.